gonna be melting and running. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. If you like pasta like me, you certainly love this lasagna recipe. No pre-cooking pasta noodle required. 2 different types of sauce. Mozzarella cheese, touch of parmesan cheese. Make this recipe the perfect homemade lasagna. It's pasta o'clock somewhere. I am Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. Hot, hot, hot. But good, good, good. As I said, we're going to use 2 different types of sauce for this recipe. One being Bolognese sauce, which I have here ready to go. The other one, it's going to be bechamel sauce. By the way, we have one full video dedicated only step by step to Bolognese sauce. Check the card. And if you are new to our channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. That being said, let's move on to the bechamel sauce. We're going to start by melting some butter. And add the flour, regular flour. Let's make a roux for our sauce. And milk. As the sauce thickens, we're gonna add more milk. We're gonna season the sauce with salt, some pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg. Remembering that a little bit of nutmeg goes a long way. We're gonna let the sauce cook for about 3 to 5 minutes more until it's creamy, but not too thick. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Our bechamel sauce is ready. Like I said, I don't want it to be too thick. So it's perfect for the consistency that I need for it. Let's move on to the assembling. Assembling is all about layer.
Layer on top of the layer, on top of the layer, on top of the layer.
And we start by spreading a little bit of the Bolognese sauce first on your lasagna dish. Then we add a layer of noodles. We add a layer of bechamel sauce, layer of mozzarella, a layer of noodles, and go on, and so on. We are using here fresh pasta that I made yesterday for the video today. If you cannot find fresh pasta at your grocery store, no problem, you can use your favorite brand for pasta and follow the package instructions for cooking. The reason why I like to use fresh pasta is because it doesn't require pre-cooking. And since our bechamel sauce here is not too thick, the pasta is going to cook by absorbing the bechamel sauce, and also some more of the liquid of the Bolognese sauce. It's gonna be amazing. Layers of cheese, layers of sauce, that oozy running sauce. It's gonna be delicious. You guys are gonna love it. So let's do it. A bit of Bolognese sauce. Now we come with the noodles. Come with a very big layer of bechamel sauce. Remember, this is what is going to cook the pasta. Mozzarella cheese. Noodles. Bechamel sauce. I'm sorry, Bolognese sauce. Another layer of noodles. I have just one left out. I don't want to waste it. We come with the rest of the sauce, the bechamel sauce. My mouth, by the way, is watering. And we finish with some more mozzarella. And just a sprinkle of parmesan cheese. So it creates that nice golden crust on top. Lasagna is assembled, and before we put it in the oven, I would like to cover this with some aluminum foil. We're gonna bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes in the oven at 375 degrees. And we're gonna remove the aluminum foil halfway through. Then we're gonna eat. "45 minutes later." Wow! Check this out. Can you see this? It's still bubbling. Check the parmesan crust on top, golden brown and delicious. Oh my goodness. Can you hear this? The bubbling? We're gonna let the lasagna rest for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna serve. So thank you so much for watching the video. The full recipe is on the video's description, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye! Any doubts?